morning, ladies and gents. This morning I'm going to do a little video on how to do your rear wheel alignment. On any motorcycle you can use this. This is Suzuki 650, but I'm using this tool. Nice little tool, nice and easy. So first job is going to be to remove the chain guard on this bike, so I can get access to the top of the chain and the top of the sprocket. So now I'm going to fit the tool nice and straight. This is on the centre stand, by the way, so we've got the wheel off the ground. Just get the nice sprocket straight, and this basically sits over the top. Get it nice and flush. The sprocket. Nice and straight, nice and tight. The rod. I tested that rod against the metal rule and it shows straight. You slide the rod in, make sure that's nice and tight, and then basically get a view from the top, which I'll do with the camera now. So to check, you simply go above the rod. It's easy to do with your eyes on that camera because the camera can't get underneath there. And you're looking to see if the rod is aligned with the chain. Also, another way of doing it is to look from the back down along that chain, showing it's nice and straight, which one this one is. Basically need the rear sprocket aligned with the centre sprocket, front sprocket, which, if that's correct, then the wheels are running aligned. Although I've been told recently that the Kawasaki ZR1100 is totally different and they do offset it on purpose, but that's a different post altogether. So you want to be looking down the back and just checking everything's nice and straight. Now if it's not and the rod is to the left or right, then you need to adjust it, which is undo this 27mm bolt and use these adjusters each side to adjust left and right. But there is some more videos on YouTube for that, so just Google chain adjustment and they'll show you that. I don't need to adjust mine because obviously this is fine.